This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for MH CET Law 5 years. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and detailed syllabus. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, create a realistic and consistent study schedule, setting achievable daily and weekly goals. Finally, gather all necessary study materials, including textbooks, reference guides, and online resources, to support your preparation journey effectively. Focus your efforts on legal aptitude and reasoning, as these sections often carry significant weight. Dedicate time daily to general knowledge and current affairs, staying updated with national and international events. Simultaneously, work on enhancing your English language proficiency, covering grammar rules, vocabulary building, and comprehension skills. Consistent practice across these core subjects is crucial for a strong performance. Regular practice is key to success. Make it a habit to solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam structure and question types. Crucially, take full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance, identifying areas where you need more focus and improvement. This iterative process refines your strategy. As the exam approaches, dedicate ample time to revising all important concepts, notes, and any formulas you've learned. Maintaining a positive mindset and effectively managing stress are equally vital for optimal performance on exam day. Remember to stay calm and confident in your preparation. Also, for some great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.